Hello. So this is a demo of my e-commerce project called Kita Storage. What my business provides is a secure storage facility available for users in the urban area to store valuables and every important item which they do not have space to keep. We serve a variety of users from business owners who would need space to store valuables and stock and inventory to students who need just a temporary place to hold or host their their items during a break season. How do I intend on doing this? Well, with the location already provided in Dansoman and some areas close to bustling urban areas, I seek to use this application as a means to do that. Okay, so there are several types of users. So we have the business storage, which has its own package, vehicle storage, military, one specific for military, and also students. We serve a variety of people. The question one may be asking is how do I know the right size for? On our site, we have a nice size guide which helps users to know the different sizes available with videos explaining all how they are used and how best to store in these various sizes that are available. Moving on, next, so now if a user wants to log in, um, so this is a user which has already um, been logged onto the platform. He types in his password and is given an OTP. So we come here quickly to see the user's OTP before we continue. All right. Um, so whilst we are waiting for the OTP um, message, finally. So based on this OTP message code that has been generated, the user is able to securely enter into his account without um, any hijacking of their email address. Okay, so over here we see this user who has the opportunity to do various things. So on the dashboard, they have quick links to book a unit, to view active bookings, and also make payment. So quickly, we want to book a unit. So when we come here to book a unit, we see all the various units that are available to be booked. There's a video tour available for every kind of unit to know the different informations that are needed regarding the particular unit. Now, for instance, if I want to book this unit C, which is in Accra, I go ahead and click book now. Then I state the number of months I want to book for. So once we see that the price per month is stated clearly down here, right? Sorry, it's stated clearly, and based on that, we are able to know or make our calculations. So let's say I'm booking, so I can make a reservation for this particular unit in Accra called Unit C. So we see that Unit C has been added to the list of things that I'm able to reserve, right? Amazing. So now, as a user, I may want to um, go ahead and make payments. So right now, what is going to happen is that once I confirm renewal, it's supposed to generate a payment option for me as a user to make payment for the particular unit. Because this is on the live server, there there is it takes a long time for that to load. So without wasting any much more time, we go on to payments. And over here we are able to see all the various payments that have been made by this particular user from the beginning. So here we see the payment that has been made. All right, moving on. Um, this user is able to get alerts and notifications. Then last, most of all, is able to log out um, from his account. Okay, so now let's log in as a admin. Over here, the admin, which is myself, has the opportunity to do some interesting things. So because the admin is a very key um, role, I took out the OTP registration so that once the teacher is looking to test out this application, there shouldn't be any problems. All right. So over here, we are able to see all the various users on the platform, and the admin has the opportunity to delete a user if they deem the person not fit for the platform. Another thing they can do is to add units. So, like the units we saw before, they're able to add several units onto the platform, right? Okay, so it has been added to the database, so the user should be able to see it on their side. So right now we are able to see all the live bookings that have been made so far. As we can see, um, this booking for the small one, which is yet to be confirmed um, with the start and end date, is over here. We're able to see all the various payments that have been made um, by the various users. Okay, um, so that is the basic functionality of my um, of my application. Thank you very much.